Hi, welcome to JUnit tutorial series. Let's start with most basic unit test and then build on top of that. Let's consider this example where we want to write a unit test for a method that adds two integers and returns sum of it. So your method will look like this. Method add will take in two integers x and y and return x plus y, that is sum of it. Now your class will look something like this. Let's start by writing unit test for this method. We have simple class test. We will now write unit test method in this class. Notice name of method should return addition when given two integers. This is descriptive name of what unit test will do. This is considered best practice of writing descriptive names to your test methods. We usually write unit tests in this format with annotation at test and format as given when then. Given we have x and y values as 2 and 3 respectively, we expect sum to be 5. Now on calling our original method simple class dot add with x and y, we are expecting actual sum. Now in this unit test we would be comparing expected sum with actual sum using assert equals method of JUnit 5. So this is how you write a simple unit test of JUnit 5. This is first tutorial. Let's build on top of this. Your final JUnit test class will look like this.